Shalom everyone, again this is Ate Ai, and for today's vlog, we will learn the conjugation of infinitive to be ashamed. In Hebrew, lihit bayesh. Again, pag-aaralan natin kung paano natin ito sasabihin kapag present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay guys, bonakil. Present tense, ashamed, for masculine singular, mitbayesh. Ani, mitbayesh. Ata, mitbayesh. Hu, mitbayesh. Present tense, ashamed, for feminine singular, mitbayeshet. Ani, mitbayeshet. At, mitbayeshet. He, mitbayeshet. Present tense, ashamed, for masculine plural or mixed gender, mitbayshim. Anachnu, mitbayshim. Atem, mitbayshim. Hem, mitbayshim. Present tense, ashamed, for feminine plural, mitbayshut. Anachnu, mitbayshut. Aten, mitbayshut. Hen, mitbayshut. Okay guys, for past tense is also ashamed. Hitbayashti. Hitbayashta. Hitbayasht. Hitbayesh. Hitbaysha. Hitbayashnu. Hitbayashtem. Hitbayashten. Hitbayshu. Hitbayshu. Okay guys, for future tense, will be ashamed. Ani, etbayesh. Ata, titbayesh. At, titbayshi. Hu, yitbayesh. He, titbayesh. Anachnu, nitbayesh. Atem, titbayshu. Aten, titbayeshna. Hem, yitbayshu. Hen, titbayeshna. Okay guys, now I will give you the imperative. Imperative, be ashamed, for masculine singular, hitbayesh. Imperative, be ashamed, for feminine singular, hitbayshi. Imperative, be ashamed, for masculine plural, hitbayshu. Imperative, be ashamed, for feminine plural, hitbayeshna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog. Enjoy to learn Hebrew, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag may bagong upload na videos. Guys, maraming salamat sa panunood sa aking mga vlogs. See you next time and God bless you all. Lihit raot.